Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, black color, light green color, blue color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, light pink color, green color, orange color, pink color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. G for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for god. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. V for van. W for whale. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.